Welcome back to Basic General Knowledge Voice Podcast.
Hey, Rachel, I've been thinking, want to test our general knowledge today?
Oh, that sounds fun. I love these kinds of challenges. Let's do it.
All right, here's one to start. What's actually the largest desert in the world?
Oh, that's easy. The Sahara Desert?
Actually, no, it's Antarctica. Interesting, right? A lot of people don't realize that deserts are defined by precipitation, not temperature.
Wow, I had no idea. Okay, let me try one. Which country has the most natural lakes?
That would be Canada, if I'm not mistaken.
You got it! Over half of the world's natural lakes are in Canada. Pretty amazing, right?
Okay, here's another good one. What's the smallest country by area?
That's Vatican City, no doubt about it.
Correct. Here's a tricky one. What's the chemical symbol for water?
H2O. That's basic chemistry right there.
Oh, here's an interesting one. How many hearts does an octopus have?
3. And speaking of interesting anatomy, did you know the blue whale is the largest mammal ever known to exist?
Really? That's fascinating. Hey, what about this? Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars. And it's called that because of the iron oxide on its surface. Basically rust.
You know what's crazy? The Milky Way is actually a spiral galaxy. We're just too close to see its full shape.
That's mind-blowing when you think about it. Oh, here's a good one. What's the longest river in the world?
Most people say the Nile, but recent studies suggest it's actually the Amazon.
This has been so much fun. I love how there's always something new to learn.
Absolutely. It's amazing how much general knowledge we pick up over time.
And these facts really make you see the world differently, don't they?
They sure do. Like how we think of deserts as hot, but Antarctica being the largest one completely changes that perspective.